Have I ever introduced you to my YouTube plant? Every proper YouTuber has a YouTube plant. If you do not have a YouTube plant, you are aspiring to be a YouTuber and you're not quite there yet. No, actually, you don't have to have a YouTube plant, but I've decided to name this YouTube plant Viper after my buddy Viper, the man about tech, the captain of Team Apple, because I recently became aware of how much he loves the YouTube plant, and somebody needs to send him one. So someone has Viper's address, send him a YouTube plant because he desperately needs one in all of his videos. All of his videos. You know that I bought this pink watch. Real men wear pink. I just threw it in the cart. That's what I got. And it was too late and I didn't undo the order because I didn't want to get out of queue for my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, S20 Ultra. Sorry, got to get used to that. I have with me today the Samsung Watch Active 2 Under Armour Edition. That is right. Not only do I have it right here, I have an open box. Look at that. The box is open. What that means is this is a $320 watch. $320. I'm trying to see what the difference is between these as to why it would cost so much more money. This is $299, so it is still pretty pricey, but why is this more money? I just think that it's because it's a little bit of a special edition, and I'm all about special editions. We are gonna take a look at this. Where is the new and improved dangerous unboxing knife? Wow, you saw that? So this was inspected by Ed. Thank you, Ed, for inspecting this. And let's see what the major glaring differences are between these two devices, if there is any. I'm hoping that they're pretty similar because I love this design, but I'm still very eager to get in. Not much of a presentation. This has never been used, so somebody bought this and never used it. Look at that. No boo-boos. No boo-boos at all. So I will say that this watch strap is pretty legit. It's got that on there, right? That's pretty cool. You can still trade these off if you want to put a different watch strap on. I bought the white one myself, so it does look pretty cool, and I think the white on black will look really awesome. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see what it looks like. You know what is a big pain about switching Samsung phones is I just added all my Samsung Pays to my Ultra, so I'm gonna have to call and re-add everything all over again. So let's go ahead and get that opened up. I really like this band. Like, it looks phenomenal. Okay, so we start open. All right, we move a little bit different. See all the indentations for me wearing it for so long. Side by side comparison. There we go. Boom, already wants to pair. Add now. It's very Apple-esque, as I like to say when companies do that, because I think Apple is the company that first started doing that above anybody else. So allow at all times. There we go. Let's pair up, connect. It's kind of going back and forth about are we okay? So setting up the phone. That's how quick this sets up. It's actually going fairly quick. So we are extremely grateful for that. Just gonna go ahead and take a quick little look-see-loo to see if this really is any different than that, or if we're talking about, is this all marketing? Is this all packaging? Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags, and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal, and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later. Back to the video. Congratulations on your new Active Watch. This thing goes so quick. Wow, this thing is snappy, this S20 Plus. I hate to say it, but I almost feel like it was a little bit more snappier than my Ultras. If I didn't even know that was possible. So we're not going to receive marketing information. So this is important. Do not check receive marketing information. You don't even have to report diagnostic information. Mapping technologies by here. I think I'm going to use that. Restore your watch from my backups, check for a backup. I don't want to do that. So let's come over here, take a look around, swipe to the right, to the back. So this is definitely nice. I mean, I can get down with this. This looks really cool. Almost done. All right, and that's probably gonna tell me that we're good to go. So this is setting this up. Perfect. All right, guys, that's about it. That was my unboxing and setup of my Galaxy Active Watch 2 by Under Armour. And I'm really excited about it. Go ahead and take a look at that. That is really, really cool, guys. And I'm really glad that I came across it. Not only did I come across it, I came across it for a lot less. I know it was like $279 and it's originally $320, and I was like, this brand new was $299, so I was more than happy to get it at $279. If you like this content or you want to see more content like it, or you just want to go ahead, support the channel, drop me a subscription, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to pay me the ultimate compliment, please go ahead and share my content with your friends and family on social media. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.